Each year, 13,000 people are released from Missouri's prison systems. They're looking for new opportunities, and a job is key. That's why the Missouri Chamber of Commerce and Industry is pleased to feature employers and organizations like Concordance who successfully transition formerly incarcerated back to our communities.
Triad has been in business since 1991. We are a store fixture manufacturer. We design, develop, distribute custom store fixtures across the world.
Being in an assembly, they have all kind of different projects. So one day you might be making glass doors, one day you might be making boxes or pallets, one day you might be making pallets. It just depends. They have contracts with a bunch of different people.
Concordance's program really is an 18-month program. And so when you think about all the services we're providing, there are 12 services under one roof, a lot of them in the category of mental health treatment, substance use treatment. We have intensive outpatient. We also provide residential. We do a lot with education, job readiness. We're talking about employment.
Altogether, I've worked with 4 Concordance people. All of them been great. They're hard workers, don't show up on time. They, anything I ask, they do. They're really good people.
They come in with an understanding of Triad already out of the gate because of the simulation process at Concordance, and it's a lot easier for my managers with training because they can kind of hit the ground running. They're appreciative to be part of a team and eager to work, and they show up every day.
He adapts very well to anything I give him. If I put him in charge of a job, he gets it done very quickly, very good.
What gives our employment partners confidence in using Concordance as a major source of talent for the 3 industry groups we serve is that we are healing them as well as teaching them certain things that will make them extremely successful at each of our employment partners.
Since working full-time at Triad Manufacturing, I've been able to, I live by myself, so I have my own apartment. I have my own car, I have my own mobile, so now I have responsibilities. And so with those responsibilities, that motivates me to get up and come to work every day and do the right thing.